Hey Chevrolet owners across California, these are the most common Chevrolet defects leading to lemon law claims in 2024. Number 1, HD truck transmission defects. Silverado and Sierra HD owners reported hard shifts, shuddering, or internal failures, especially in towing scenarios. Number 2, diesel powertrain and gearbox recalls. GM bulletins highlight transmission component defects that impact drivability and towing safety. Number 3, steering knuckle machining defects. Poor machining can lead to ball joint separation or steering failure. Number 4, instrument cluster or software malfunctions. Flickering screens, blank displays, or frozen panels appear in owner complaints. Number 5, lemon law relief for unresolved defects. Repeated repairs that fail to fix safety impacting defects may trigger California's lemon law. When defects like these persist after multiple repair attempts and impair use, value, or safety, California's lemon law offers buyback, replacement, or cash compensation. If you believe you may have a claim, visit lemonlawhelp.com or call 833-2088-181 and get your vehicle evaluated.